Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In this Python interview questions sequence, the next question what we have here is 30th question. How to get, okay, how to get list of, list of existing keywords in Python. In other languages, compulsory we have to remember each and every keyword name. Compulsory we have to remember each and every keyword name. We have to understand that. But in Python, we are not required to remember. We have a predefined method or function is there to get a list of keywords. How you can get? For that, Python people provided one module. What is the name of that module? Keyword module. In this keyword module, there is one special attribute is there like a KW list. What this KW list is going to do? It will display the list of existing keywords. If you want, you can see. So py space test.py means these are nothing but list of keywords which are available in the current version. In the current version of Python, you can see all the keywords are coming here. Sir, which version you are using? Let me check py-0. In 3.12 version, these are nothing but various keywords which are available. Okay, false, none, true, and as like we have keywords up to yield. Okay, this is the way how you can able to get list of keywords which are present in the current installed version. Okay, thank you friends.